Let's try and...
Looking at the person, helping the person, because when they have alcoholism or this or that, they're not just on this pathway, that or the other.
So I am outside of our Whole Again Communities Hub, also known as WAC. They do an amazing job supporting families in the local Chenier area. They literally work from cradle to grave. So they have lots of families they support during the summer holidays, doing time to move activities, doing all sorts of cooking and crafts and skills, physical activities, taking kids out, all sorts of fun things during the summer holidays that might give the parents a bit of a break. Equally, they provide lunches 4 days a week, Tuesdays to Fridays, either no or really low cost. I think the maximum price you'll pay for a really lovely cottage pie or a chilli or something like that might be £5.
And then as part of WAC Community Hub as well, you do amazing food.
We do amazing food. We have free options. There's a free seasonal healthy soup available every day, free of charge. And then we also have low-cost alternatives.
There's an online cook along with Maggie, who is their amazing cook chef that works in the kitchen here. And she will go step by step, either live on a video stream or you can watch it back recorded, and she'll teach you the different things that you can make that are really healthy and nutritious.
Yeah, we've got Cooking with Maggie. So we've got some children's cooking workshops at the moment where children learn how to cook. I think our youngest group at the moment, they're between the ages of 8 and 13, 12 or 13.
Brilliant.
We've got 6 children signed up for that on a Tuesday night. That is in-house. And this has now grown into an actual online cook-along with Maggie where we deliver food parcels in the morning. And it's a 6-week program with a scheme of work, lesson plan, everything formalised. And Maggie cooks it live on Facebook on a Wednesday afternoon, and people can either cook along with her or they can watch it at a later date and then produce the same dish. And these are usually dishes that you can achieve easily with things that you get from the food bank, like store cupboard things.
I am Pip Macmeikan. I'm the community maker that covers the West Penwith area. So I work with community hubs and loads of different organisations across the West Penwith area.
And you, Pip, as a community maker, the glue who holds all of this together, because as you know, whenever I have a problem with anything, I'll call you and say, Pip, is there any way that we can make this and that happen? And you'll either say yes or you say, leave it with me.
Well, sometimes I like to think of myself as the spider in the middle of the web and making all the connections that brings everybody together.
Also, we've got Healthy Cornwall. Beth comes in to do stop smoking advice and health checks once a month. We also do regular clinics, as I'd like to call them, with Southwest Water and Community Energy Plus for debt advice.
Yeah, there's so much going on that
it's hard to keep track of it. So it's best to follow us on social media.
Yeah.
On Facebook, ideally under WAC Community Hub, because we've got daily updates, we've got pictures of the food that we do, what's the soup, we get ingredients from the gleaners, and it's all very interactive on Facebook. That's probably the best way to keep up with what we're doing.
Let's try. So Trelia is an amazing organisation. They try and really work broadly to support the whole family to make sure that they all have the best opportunities in life. The community cafe is a massive asset. Everybody loves going there for SJ's food. And they also do the cafe as part of a project. They do all sorts of training there. People can volunteer. They can do everything from just learning basic food prep skills to doing barista qualifications as well. For the Goal Skills group, which is adults who may not have had qualifications when they left school, or they might have just lost some confidence and feel like they want to start back WAC from scratch, and they can do everything in goal group from basic literacy skills or maths. They also have a pay it forward board, so people can go in and get food or a drink without paying if they feel like they can't afford to, but it's all done really discreetly. Let's not get run over. They also have a hygiene bank and a beauty bank. So period poverty is quite a big issue. So, and again, they have nappies, they have beauty products. Even a tube of toothpaste can be quite expensive. So if people are choosing to either have to buy a tube of toothpaste or buy some food for their family, it's likely to be the food. So they offer a huge range.
Great stuff. And we didn't walk into any trees.
That's quite impressive. Whereas the next